What if I told you that the future of travel doesn't need four wheels, it just needs three, and a bold vision? Today, we're diving into something that looks straight out of 2030, but it's here now. Meet the 2027 Ultimate Compact Home on Wheels, a three-wheeled camper tricycle that's changing how we think about adventure at first glance. It doesn't just look different, it feels different. That matte olive green body instantly grabs your attention. It's sleek, modern, and compact, but don't let the size fool you. This isn't just a tricycle. This is a fully functional mini home designed for people who want freedom without the bulk of a massive RV. Now imagine this. You're driving through winding mountain roads. Traditional RVs struggle with tight turns and narrow lanes. But this glides through effortlessly. With its single front wheel and two sturdy rear wheels, it blends motorcycle agility with camper comfort. It's stable, it's efficient, and honestly, it's fun. Let's talk about that front design. The curved panoramic windshield gives it a futuristic vibe. You get a wide-open road view that feels almost cinematic. Integrated LED strip headlights make it look sharp and aggressive at night. And because it's compact, parking is no longer a nightmare. City streets? No problem. Beachside stops? Easy. But here's where it gets interesting. Step inside. You expect it to feel cramped, right? Wrong. The interior is cleverly designed to maximize every inch. Two comfortable captain seats greet you up front, surrounded by a digital dashboard that feels more tech startup than traditional camper. The panoramic windshield floods the space with natural light, making it feel open and airy. Right behind the driver's cabin, you've got a cozy dinette setup. A small table, cushioned seating, and just enough space to relax, eat, or even edit your travel vlog. Overhead cabinets provide storage without making the space feel tight. Soft LED lighting adds warmth at night, giving it that peaceful, homey vibe. And yes, there's a kitchen, a compact induction cooktop, a built-in sink, a mini fridge. Everything you need to cook a simple meal while parked next to a lake or deep in the forest. It's not oversized. It's smart. Every feature feels intentional. Now let's talk sleeping. Above the cabin is an overcab bed area, surprisingly spacious. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want comfort without dragging around a giant vehicle. Add in soft reading lights and side windows, and you've got yourself a cozy little retreat under the stars. But here's the real magic of this vehicle. It represents freedom without compromise. Traditional RVs are expensive, bulky, and intimidating for many first-time travelers. Motorcycles are thrilling but lack comfort. This three-wheeled camper sits perfectly in the middle. It's approachable, it's efficient, and it opens up travel to a whole new audience. Imagine weekend road trips without hotel bookings. Imagine waking up to ocean waves one day and mountain views the next. Imagine pulling into a scenic viewpoint and not worrying about parking space. And because it's smaller and lighter than full-sized RVs, fuel efficiency is noticeably better. That means more miles, more destinations, and fewer stops at the gas station. In a world where fuel prices are unpredictable, that matters. But let's get real for a second. Is it for everyone? Probably not. If you're a family of 5 looking for luxury space, this isn't your rolling mansion. But if you're someone who values mobility, simplicity, and the thrill of exploration, this could be exactly what you've been waiting for. The design itself speaks to a new generation of travelers. Digital nomads, minimalists, adventure seekers, people who want experiences over possessions. It's not about having the biggest camper on the road. It's about having the smartest one. Picture this scenario. You finish work on Friday. Instead of staying home, you grab a few essentials, load them into your compact home on wheels, and hit the road. No packing chaos. No hotel reservations. No complicated setup. Just you and the open road. By Saturday morning, you're parked somewhere breathtaking. Coffee brewing inside your tiny kitchen. Sunlight pouring through the windows. Total independence. And that's what makes this concept so powerful. It's not just transportation. It's lifestyle freedom. Even the exterior design plays a role in that. The smooth matte finish gives it a premium look without being flashy. It's subtle but futuristic. The compact side storage compartments keep your gear organized. The aerodynamic shape improves efficiency and stability. Everything feels thoughtfully engineered. Now imagine this becoming the next big trend. As cities get more crowded and people crave more flexible lifestyles, Vehicles like this could redefine mobile living. Smaller footprint, lower costs, higher freedom, and honestly, it just looks cool. There's something undeniably satisfying about driving a vehicle that turns heads for the right reasons. It's not oversized or aggressive. It's innovative. It sparks curiosity. People will ask questions. They'll want to see inside. And that's part of the experience, that you're not just traveling. You're showcasing a new way to live. So here's the big question. Would you trade space for flexibility? Would you give up excess room for unmatched mobility? Because that's what this three-wheeled camper challenges you to consider. The future of travel might not be about bigger engines and larger RVs. It might be about smarter design, compact comfort, and freedom that fits into everyday life. The 2027 Ultimate Compact Home on Wheels proves one thing. Adventure doesn't have to be massive to be meaningful. Sometimes, all it takes is 3 wheels and the courage to explore. And if you're still watching, I want to know something. Could you see yourself living the road life in something like this? Would you take it cross-country? Use it for weekend escapes? Or maybe turn it into your full-time mobile studio? Drop your thoughts below, because this might just be the beginning of a whole new travel revolution. And trust me, the road ahead has never looked this exciting.